Hello! Let's make a very cute, shaggy and very sensory Kindle sleeve. For this project, I'll be using as my main color this mint green. Then I'll have pink, baby pink and white alongside my 3.5mm hook. Start by chaining 30. In the second chain from the hook, work a single crochet and then single crochet in each chain until the end of this row. Chain 1, turn, and for another row we will only go into single crochet. Okay, now that we have our 2 rows of single crochet, we will start with the loops. So on the next row you chain 1, you turn, and in the first and the last stitch we will just work a normal single crochet. This is because I want to have this 1 stitch space when I need to join both sides. So go through, over, under, and then you grab and you pull. Then you pull on the working yarn until you have the size. You put it in the back here and you finish the single crochet. In, under, grab, bring forward, through, pull, put it behind, and finish. It doesn't really matter if you have some long ones, some short ones. If they twist, it doesn't matter, because after that you can just smooth them all out and they will look nice. After every row of loops, we will have a single crochet row, just to give it a bit of space so it's not too much. You can even leave 2 single crochet rows or make 1 double crochet to give it a bit of height between the 2 row of loops. So now after we finished, this is how it looks. And then you chain 1 and then you single crochet in each stitch until the end of this row. This is how it's gonna look when you have more rows. I will put in the description box the number of rows in each color I've made if you want to follow the same pattern. If not, you do you, whatever you like. After the last row of loops, I made 4 rows of single crochet in alternating colors, just to give it a nice top edge. The back side is just simple single crochet, and if you've watched my previous videos, it's the same measurement. I chained 30 and then it will be 29 stitches, and you single crochet for 43 rows. I will include all the details in the description. The last step is to single crochet them together on 3 sides. I have already chained 1 and need to go in this first stitch. So that I can attach it nicely. And this is how it looks finished. I have realized that the sizing I make my Kindle sleeves now are quite a good size for an iPad mini. So hopefully soon, maybe my wish comes true and I have an iPad to show you exactly. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye bye.